Hi, this is the VIVO V21e and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So just to activate AOD option, we should open first the settings and then tap to lock screen and wallpaper. Here you'll see always on display switcher. Just click here on the switcher to activate this option. Also you could make it from here. Just to change display mode from all day to shadow, or to set the start and the end time, or to move your phone slightly to display the option, you should select one from these available options. And after that, let's just lock the device. And we can see that the always on display option successfully activated. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.